Hello, my name is Tim Clark and I'm in Les Deux Alpes to check out a very interesting project that's opening this winter. Now, here's a little history lesson. Back in 1985, the Jandri Express opened its doors and it was a game changer for the village of Les Deux Alpes. It managed to whisk people all the way up to the top of the mountain in a mere 40 minutes. However, times have changed. Nowadays, people want more, they want better, and they want faster. So, after 139 million euros of investment, the new Jandri Express has opened its doors this week, managing to whisk 3,000 skiers an hour all the way up to the top of the slopes in a mere 17 minutes. In the snow, has come all the way to Les Deux Alpes to check out if it's really as good as they say. So, what makes the Jandri Express different? Well, capacity is one of the biggest things. It can get 3,000 skiers an hour all the way up to the top of the mountain just below the level of the glacier. The cabins, all 52 of them, have been designed to be adapted so that you can fit bikes in the summer, you can fit wheelchair users, you can fit 24 people seated, plus another 8 standing, and there's also one or two very special VIP cabins as well. The other difference is speed and reliability. It's been designed, they say, to open in almost any weather. I mean, it is pretty closed off at the top up there at the moment, and it's still running. So I guess the question is the technology has moved on enough to allow people to get to the top of the mountain. You just have to be crazy enough to go there and want to do it. Apart from that, the investment means that they're securing the future of Les Deux Alpes for effectively what they see as the next 50 years. This is an investment in higher altitude, more reliability, and expecting Les Deux Alpes to be one of like the 11 ski areas that they say in the Alps that will likely be open into the next coming decades. So for them, it wasn't just an investment in time and energy, it's an investment in their future. So up in the engine room of the new ski lift is where basically all the magic happens. This is where you have the rollers that slow down the lifts from 8 meters a second, which we've just found out is basically the fastest you're allowed to go legally anywhere in the world on a ski lift, down to a mere 1 meter a second. And that is done quite smoothly actually, considering that they have to do that deceleration, the braking, within 4 or 5 meters of space. Also, this is where the tension for the gondola lifts is held, just by wrapping the giant coil around and around and around. The friction of the coil against itself basically keeps it in place. They do clamp it, but that's kind of the simplest way of describing it. The impression you get though that this place is a vast cathedral to ski lifts. It's absolutely huge, and it's pretty impressive that they built it only 18 months. As you can see, the weather's really closing in, and yet the ski lift, Jandri ski lift is still running. Quite why you'd want to go to 3,200 meters when it's properly settling in for a snowstorm is another question, but the point is it's in theory been designed to handle it, and I guess this is one of its first real tests of the winter. Something that would have stopped most ski lifts has not stopped Jandri Express in its tracks.